Join us for the third session of our YouthPreneur workshop series. It will be held on Tuesday, November 18th from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Note that this is the third Tuesday, not our usual fourth Tuesday because of Thanksgiving. I'm Barbara Perez, and we're honored to have Brian Lucas, Principal and Director of Operations at Good Books Company, leading this workshop, Biblical Entrepreneurship, Building a Business with Integrity. In business, the numbers are critical, which is why Brian and his wife founded Good Books. They fill a gap in the market by providing small and mid-sized organizations with business-focused accounting that helps leaders make confident, informed decisions. Brian brings over a decade of real-world entrepreneurial experience to guide business owners in building companies rooted in integrity. We're excited to welcome him and can't wait to see how our youthpreneurs put these principles into practice. Learn more and register for the workshops on the Chamber's website, cfchristianchamber.com.